What's up guys, today we're going to look at a Kyosho TF4, which is a 1/10 scale electric touring car, I think from the early 2000s, at the height of the hobby and class. So couldn't find many videos of these on YouTube, but I thought it'd be interesting for the Kyosho fans and what is now a resurgent revival category of racing, retro / vintage touring car racing. So let's have a quick look. We've got your classic PureTen dimensions. So that's looks like a 263 wheelbase and what should be a 190 width, track width on that. This is fitted with a brushed motor, speed controller, servo, no receiver and no body shell, so that won't be a race weight, but this will give you an example of the weight. And that's just over 1 kilogram at 1053 grams. So straight away you can see that carbon fiber chassis, the early days of carbon fiber. Quite a lot of resin in that. Pretty. That's the bottom. Quite a nice thing. Kyosho quality plastics. You've got this twin vertical arrangement, twin vertical plates supporting the belt drives. You've got a small belt at the back, the center shaft and the long belt at the front, both coming off that center shaft, and it's a high mount spur gear. So that will give you an example. And these belt arrangements, I think pioneered by Kyosho initially, and they've stood the test of time. So this will still be competitive. On that spur gear you do have a slipper clutch arrangement, so I think that can be tightened down or loosened to allow a little bit of slip. You seem to have a CNC motor mount heatsink arrangement. I'm not sure if that's standard, but that's quite a nice piece down there mounting the motor. As standard, coming with a transponder mount, which is a nice little feature you don't always find on touring cars. And then we've got a ball type adjustable differentials, which are still very smooth on this version. So you can stick a little Allen key in the side and tighten or loosen them up. Make sure they're always well greased so they work smoothly. And some pretty beautiful aluminium dampers here. And they are of notably high quality and manufacturing. So I'm pretty sure they intended to compete and win with this chassis. Carbon fiber shock tower. All round pretty nice so far. This one's had some weights added, possibly to meet weight class in their racing series. You've got the servo mounted at the front here, double bell crank steering, adjustable turnbuckles, top and the steering arm, those dampers on the front. Looks like universal joint drive shafts in the front there. They were just dog bones in the back. And again the front ball differential. So there you have it, that's an overview of a Kyosho TF4 1/10 scale touring car. Quite a nice piece. Relatively rare, I haven't seen many of them around. And an option for revival touring car racing. Did you have one of these? Did you run one of these? How well did you do with it? Was it competitive? Please add in the comments for everyone to see and share.